Namaste, good afternoon, and welcome you all here on our radio educational program, which is sponsored by Nepal Police School, Gaura Rohtat, with media partner Radio Madhya Masla 106.4 MHz. Okay, class, it's me, Santosh Kumar Thakur here with class 4 math. Yes, and today here in class 4 math, we are going to discuss about the multiplication of fractions. Yes, in our previous classes, just we finished or we done about the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Yes, similarly today we are going to discuss or going to learn about the multiplication of fraction. Yes, in that here multiplication of fraction. Yes, students, as you know, to multiply any number, even that is fractional number, whole number, natural number, integers, we need two or more than two numbers. Yes, so here in multiplication of fraction also we need at least two fractions or two numbers to multiply each other or to get the product of that number. Yes, in that first we have some formula. Yes, like that. First is product of whole number, product of whole number and fraction. Yes, product of whole number and fraction. Yes, there students, there we can use formula like this: whole number into numerator by denominator. Students, as you know, yes, as you know, or you can find some types of multiplications in fraction somewhere like this. Yes, somewhere you can find yes 2 into 1 by 3. Students, here look at the board and listen to me very carefully. Yes, here you can find somewhere you can find the questions like this or the multiplications like this: 2 into 1 by 3. Yes, so here students, this first number is 2 has no denominator. Yes, 2 has no any denominators, so that yes, this is whole number. You can say that this is whole number, natural number, or you can also suppose it is a as a integers. Okay, so that what is 2 is a whole number. Yes, according to formula we can suppose 2 is a whole number because it doesn't have yes any denominators. Yes, as you know, the number which have numerator and denominator both, they are only called is the fractions. But here in this multiplications we don't have given is any type of denominator with first number. Yes, so there 2 has no any denominator, so that it is a whole number. Yes, and to get the product of is this type of multiplications, is we use this formula: whole number into numerator by denominator. Yes, so what is the whole number here? 2. Yes, and what is the numerator here? 1. Yes, so here we can use 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2 1 the 2 by 3. Students, don't be confused. Yes, focus on the questions and listen to me carefully. Okay, you can do this type of multiplication yourself. Okay, so here is we have 2 into 1 by 3, where whole number is the first number. That means you can suppose is the number which do not have any type of denominator, that is whole number. And if there is given the whole number, you can direct use the formula whole number into numerator by denominator. So don't think any more about this. You can find the product of these two numbers by using the same formulas. Sometimes you will you may have given the questions like this also, 4 into 1 by 2. Students, look here, 4 into 1 by 2. Here also you can find 4 is a whole number because it doesn't have denominator. That's why this is a whole number. And on that time what we again use the same formula, 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 4 1 ja 4 by 2. And listen to me very carefully. As you know how to convert how to convert the given fraction into their lowest terms. So here, students, if the given numerator and denominators have any type of common number, any type of common factor, then we can remove, we can cancel the common factor from them. So here we have the common factor, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So what is over there? 2 by 1, and when we divide 2 by 1, then we will get answer 2. So 2 is our answer. Students, so don't be confused. Listen to me very carefully. Look at the board carefully, okay? So students, you may have this type of questions, which is done by using this type of formulas. Somewhere you have given this type of questions also. Suppose 2 by 3 into what? 5. 2 by 3 into 5. Students, look here. And listen to me. Here we have given questions 2 by 3 into 5. So here we have given the first number, we have given the fractional number in fraction because they have numerator as 2 and denominator as 3 similarly. But we have in the second number that is given 5 only, okay? There is not given any type of denominator with 5. So that what? If there is no any denominator, so that what? 5 is a whole number. Or in this time also we should use the same formula to find the product of whole number and fractions. So here, students, 2 by 3, that means numerator into whole number by denominator. So numerator is 2, denominator, whole number is 5 and denominator is what? 3. Then after 2 5s are 10 by 3. Students, they don't have any common factor, so our answer become, or our answer is 10 by 3 only. So while solving this type of questions, first get the questions carefully, then you can use the formula to solve this type of questions. Then after that, we have other questions related multiplication of fraction, and that is given here. So here we have given product of fractions, two number, okay? Product of fractions. So students, to get the product of fractions, we can use the formula product of numerator by product of denominators. Okay, so here students is we have some formula which is some different than our previous. Yes, so here we have product of fractions is equal to product of numerators by product of denominators. So students, here we have questions for the example of these formulas. Yes, we have questions like this: 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Students, for if you have given is only the fractional numbers, yes, because here we need to find the product of all fractions, so that it means what? It's clear that yes, we have given only fractions to get their product, yes, to multiply them. So here we have given fractions 1 by 3 and 1 by 2, yes, and we need to find the product of that two fractions, yes, 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. And for that students, here we can apply this formula, product of numerators and product of denominators, yes. And before applying the formulas, we should find first is the numerators and denominators in each fractions. So students, here in the first fractions we have the numerator 1 and denominator 3. In same way, in second we have 1 as numerator and 2 as denominator, is so that what then after is we can use the formula. Product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. So multiple of 1 numerator and multiple of denominator and denominator, so that we have given here 1 and 1 as numerators, so 1 into 1 is, and as a denominator we have given 3 and 2, so 3 into 2 is, so that what is 1 into 1 1 by 3 into 2 6 is 1 into 1 1 3 into 2 6. So students, if we have given is the multiplication of fraction or fractional numbers, on that time we should multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. That means numerator by numerator and denominators by denominators. Yes, so don't be confused and don't do any other things. Yes, you can find the product of different fractions in this way. Yes, sometimes let's take other questions. Yes, so we have given 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. Okay, 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. Students, again here we need to identify the numerator and denominators in both fractions, and we have given two fractions. Yes, they are 1 by 4 and 3 by 5. Here in the first fractions, yes, 1 is a numerator, similarly 4 is a denominator. In the same way, 3 is a numerator and 5 is a denominator in the second fractions. Yes, and to find the product of the two fractions, we use the same formula, product of numerators by product of denominators. So students, here we have is product of numerator is 1 into 3 by product of denominator is 4 into 5. Yes, then we will get what? 1 into 3 3 and 4 into 5 is 20. So this is the answer. Yes, so students, don't forget one thing is, if your product will become in improper fraction or will be improper fraction, yes, you should convert them into mixed fractions. Yes, either fractions or if the product will become in or will be improper fraction, you should convert them into mixed fractions. Yes, after that, yes, we solve here up to two fractional numbers. Yes, let's take three fractional numbers is to get the product. So we have suppose given 2 by 3 into 1 by 5 into s 2 by s 2 by suppose 3. Okay, this type of question will be given. Sometimes you may have given this type of questions. Yes, on that time what will you do for that questions? Yes, so on that time also, yes, we use the same rule, same method to find the product of the given fractions. Yes, students, we have here given three fractions. Yes, and we need to find their products too. Yes, so here in the first we have given 2 by 3, in the second 1 by 5, the third 3 by 2. Yes, where, sorry, 2 by 3. Yes, in the same way here in the first fractions, yes, we have numerator 2 and denominator 3. Similarly in the second fractions, 1 as numerator and 5 as denominator. Similarly in third fractions, 2 as numerator and 3 as denominator. Yes, so in this way we can use the same formulas. Product of fractions is equal to product of numerators and upon that means by product of denominators. So students, here we have the numerators. What are the numerators? 2 1 2 s 2 1 2 s. So to find the product of that the given fractions, we use the same formula, product of numerators. So we multiply these numerators with each other. So 2 into 1 into 2, because they are the numerators of our fractions. Similarly by s 3 into 5 into 3, because they are the denominators of the given fractions. Yes, and then now we should multiply them with each other. Yes, so students, here is 2 1 the 2, yes, 2 1 the 2, 2 the 4, or you can multiply 1 by 1 also. So 1 2 2 1 the 2 into 2 by, yes, 3 5 the 15 by 3 is equal to 2 2 the 4 by 3 15 3 the 45. Yes, students, you can do like this also. Yes, so in the multiplication of fraction you can use these two formulas. Yes, and then you will get, or you can find the product of given fractions. Yes, so for further practice, yes, you can use your book. Yes, you can look your book. Yes, and then you can get your answer. Yes, similarly, yes, similarly we have other questions or other formulas for other type of multiplications of fractions. Yes, I hope you are understanding, you understood about the multiplications of fraction. Yes, this is very easy. Yes, so then after here we have the value of, yes, value of the given fraction of a number. The value of given fraction, value of the given fraction, yes, of a number, yes, is equal to fraction into number, fraction into number. Yes, students, this is the third formulas, yes, which we use in the multiplication of fractions. So here we have, yes, the formula is to find the value of the given fraction of a number. Yes, and for that we can use the formula of fraction into numbers. Yes, so for that what we can use is, sometimes we may have given is the questions like this: half of 4. So students, here listen to me very carefully. Half of 4 is, half means what? As you learn about this type of number, this is the fraction number. No, fraction name is fractional name. Here half means 1/2. We use the fraction 1/2 for half. So at the place of half we can use 1/2, and of means is, at the place of is we use some types of operations. Is, so here 1/2 of 4, half of 4 means 1/2 of 4 is, this is the number or numerations solution. So then after, at the place of 1/2 of, we can use multiplications. Is, of means in the operational things, yes, we use multiplication sign at the place of. So 1/2 of, that means multiplication, multiple 4 is, and then after students you will get the same questions. Is, it means what? Is, it means is 1/2 into 4, that means fraction into number, fraction into number, or you can also use is whole number into is numerator by denominator. Is, students, don't be confused, you can use any one of from them. Is, so here 1/2 into 4 is, and then after 1 into 4 by 2 into is 2 is, whole number is 4 and 1 is numerator. 1/4 into 2 is equal to 1 into 4, 4 by 2 is equal to 2 to the 4 is equal to 2 answer. Yes students, yes. But if we go through this formula, yes, if we go through this formula, fraction into number, we do like this. Yes, 1/2 into 4, it means 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, is equal to 1 into, there is no numerator 1 and 2, so 1 into 2 is equal to 2 answer, because there is one numerator, and when we divide any number by 1, the answer would be same. So that I hope you understood about this type of questions also. Is, in the same way, is, you may have given is 3/4 of is 20. You may have given this type of questions sometimes. So on that time also you should do like this: 3/4 of means into 20 is 5, 4 on the 4 is 4 5 the 20. Then after 3 into 5 is equal to what? 15, which is your answer. Yes students, you can use this type of formulas to find different multiplication of fractions. Yes, here we use this formula, fraction into number, that means fraction into number. Yes, then after we will get the answer. Yes, we got answer 15. Similarly, after this is a time for homework assignment. Yes, and your homework is like this. Students, your homework is find question number 1. Homework: find the product of the following. Yes, and you have questions 2/3 into 1/5. Question number B, 2 into 3/5. Question number C, 4/5 into 2. similarly, yes, you have given questions number 2. Find the value of the following. Yes, for this you have questions. Yes, 1/4 of 20. Question number B, 5/6 of 36. Yes, I hope you will do this all, and after this, now this is time to leave class 4. Yes, so we will be here with our next class after this short break. Yes, so keep listening. Thank you.
सूचना गडुरा खाने पानी तथा सरसफाई उपभोक्ता समिति गडुरा के अत्यंत जरूरी सूचना।
गरुड़ा नगर पालिका 4 में रहल गरुड़ा खाने पानी तथा सरसफाई उपभोक्ता समिति के कार्य समिति की मिति 2077 साल श्रावण 12 गते के बैठक के निर्णय अनुसार खाने पानी उपभोग करे वाला संपूर्ण ग्राहक वर्ग में सूचित कैल जाइत है कि पछिलका बाकी बकेता तीरे के बाकी रहल ग्राहक सब महशुल्क बुझावे के खंड में 2077 साल के बैसाख जेठ आ आषाढ़ 3 महीना के महसूल छूट दिल जाये। साथ ही 2076 साल चैत महीना के महसूल बुझाला में जरिवाना न लागी। ई सुविधा श्रावण मासांत तक के लिए मात्र दिल जाये। पंकज कुमार जायसवाल, अध्यक्ष कार्य समिति गरुड़ा खाने पानी तथा सरसफाई उपभोक्ता समिति गरुड़ा रौतहट।
सूचना गडुरा खाने पानी तथा सरसफाई उपभोक्ता समिति गडुरा के अत्यंत जरूरी सूचना।
गरुड़ा खाने पानी तथा सरसफाई उपभोक्ता समिति के गठित पदपूर्ति समिति द्वारा कुछ आवश्यक सेवा देवे चाहे वाला कर्मचारी के आवश्यकता भेला से इच्छुक व्यक्ति समय में ही संपर्क करेला जानकारी के साथ सूचना प्रसारण कर जाइत है। सह लेखापाल 1 जना, शैक्षिक योग्यता +2 उत्तीर्ण, आवेदन शुल्क ₹500। मीटर रीडर 1 जना, शैक्षिक योग्यता SEE उत्तीर्ण, आवेदन शुल्क ₹300। प्लम्बर 1 जना, शैक्षिक योग्यता साक्षर, आवेदन शुल्क ₹300। कार्यालय सहयोगी 1 जना, शैक्षिक योग्यता साक्षर, आवेदन शुल्क ₹200।
आवेदन फार्म भरे की मिति यह श्रावण 18 गते से 7 दिन के भीतर में।
संपर्क मिति यह श्रावण 26 गते, लिखित परीक्षा यह श्रावण 27 गते, समय 1 बजे से लेके 3 बजे तक। लिखित परीक्षा के नतीजा प्रकाशन यह श्रावण 29 गते, समय 3 बजे।
मौखिक अंतर्वार्ता यह श्रावण 30 गते सवेरे 11 बजे से। स्थान गडुरा खाने पानी के कार्यालय गडुरा।
तलब संस्था के आपसी सहमति बमोजिम। पेश करे वाला आवश्यक कागजात सब: शैक्षिक योग्यता के प्रमाण पत्र के प्रतिलिपि 1 थान, नागरिकता के प्रतिलिपि 1 थान, अनुभव के प्रमाण पत्र के प्रतिलिपि 1 थान, सह लेखापाल पद के हक में कंप्यूटर बेसिक कोर्स कैले प्रमाण पत्र के प्रतिलिपि। उम्र के हक में 18 वर्ष पूरा भेल, 40 वर्ष न नागल, कोनो फौजीदारी मुद्दा मामला न लागल, मानसिक संतुलन न बिगड़ल। परीक्षा के किस्म लिखित आ मौखिक।
विस्तृत जानकारी के लिए संपर्क गडुरा खाने पानी तथा सरसफाई उपभोक्ता समिति गडुरा रौतहट।
संपर्क नंबर 98 550 42 345, 98 451 19 457 आ 98 252 96 032।
सूचना
इलाका प्रहरी कार्यालय गडुरा रौतहट के अत्यंत जरूरी सूचना।
समुदाय में तथा सर्वसाधारण में कोविड-19 के संक्रमण के जोखिम कम करेला मिति 2077 साल सावन महीना के 24 गते से सावन महीना के 32 गते तक लागू हो जैसन जिला प्रशासन कार्यालय रौतहट निषेधाज्ञा जारी कैला से संपूर्ण नगरवासी तथा सर्वसाधारण के अति आवश्यक काम बाहेक घर बाहर न निकलेला सूचित किया जाइत है। साथ ही अति आवश्यक स्वास्थ्य, विद्युत, दूरसंचार, खाने पानी, दूध, फोहर मैला व्यवस्थापन, गैस, पेट्रोलियम पदार्थ, दवाई, खाद्यान्न, तरकारी आपूर्ति बाहेक के अन्य सब निकाय व सेवा निषेध कल गेल है। एम्बुलेंस, सब वाहक, दमकल, झंडा वाला सवारी साधन, कूटनीतिक सवारी साधन, खाद्यान्न, दूध, पानी ले जाए के ले आवे के लिए सवारी साधन, लम्हर दूरी के माल सामान ढुवानी के साधन, अत्यावश्यक सेवा संचालन के लिए खटल जनशक्ति प्रयोग करे के सवारी साधन, सुरक्षा निकाय एवं प्रमुख जिला अधिकारी के सवारी साधन तथा अत्यावश्यक कार्य के लिए जिला प्रशासन कार्यालय से सवारी पास प्राप्त सवारी धनी बाहेक अन्य सब निजी, सार्वजनिक एवं सरकारी सवारी साधन सब संचालन निषेध कल गेल है। इन निषेधाज्ञा के अवज्ञा करे वाला एवं आदेश के कार्यान्वयन में बाधा, विरोध व अवरोध करे वाला जोन भी व्यक्ति व समूह के कानून बमोजिम कड़ा कार्रवाई कैल जाए। वही से कोरोना से सावधानी अपनाओ, अपने भी बचो, दूसरा के भी बचाओ।
इलाका प्रहरी कार्यालय गरुड़ा रौतहट।
माय गे माय, पेट की दुखाई से मर गेली गे माय।
भाई सुनिए, घर में रातों से बड़ा रुआ कहानी हुई था, कथी बोला हा?
कथी कहियो भाई, बहुत जल्दी हमनी सब चाचा बने वाला छे, लेकिन देख न लग पास में कोनो बढ़िया स्त्री रोग विशेषज्ञ डॉक्टर नवा से भौजी के इलाज करावे ले चली।
हो तोरा इतना पता ना हो? भौजी के अखुन तो ले चला गौरा अस्पताल गरुड़ा में।
जी हाँ, यदुवंशी हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन फाउंडेशन नेपाल द्वारा संचालित अत्याधुनिक सुविधा संपन्न सुव्यवस्थित गरुड़ा अस्पताल गरुड़ा रौतहट। जी यहाँ नेशनल मेडिकल कॉलेज वीरगंज के मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडेंट MBBS जनरल फिजिशियन एंड सर्जन डॉक्टर नसरुद्दीन रैन आ
MBBS चितवन मेडिकल कॉलेज भरतपुर स्त्री रोग विशेषज्ञ डॉक्टर सुधा मुखिया यादव 24 घंटा इलाज करलन।
डॉक्टर दीपेंद्र गिरी हार्ट जोड़नी तथा नशा रोग, लकवा, गेठिया, साइटिका, कमर के दर्द, हाथ गोड़ झिनझिनाए के अकुपंचर और फिजियोथेरेपी द्वारा इलाज करलन। डॉक्टर राम सुनेही शाह BDS धरान,
DH रोहित कुमार शाह, DC शिव शंकर यादव दांत तथा मुख संबंधी संपूर्ण रोग के इलाज करलन।
हमनी के सेवा सब प्रसूति सेवा, स्त्री रोग सेवा, हार्ट जोड़नी सेवा, दांत सेवा, एक्सरे, वीडियो एक्सरे, लैब पैथोलॉजी, डेंटल चेकअप आ एम्बुलेंस के 24 घंटा सेवा उपलब्ध है। साथ ही खुशी की बात यह है कि यह सावन 12 गते से लेके भादो 1 गते तक निःशुल्क OPD सेवा उपलब्ध है। जांच तथा फार्मेसी में 10% छूट दिल जाए।
संपर्क गणुड़ा अस्पताल गणुड़ा रौतहट, दुर्गा मंदिर के अगाड़ी एंसेल के टावर वाला घर में। संपर्क व्यक्ति नागेंद्र चौरसिया, मोबाइल 98 550 42 345।
The Voice of मिठाई रेडियो मधेश मसला 106.4।
Okay, namaste, good afternoon, and welcome you all again here on our radio educational program, which is sponsored by Nepal Police School, Gauda. And now here I am with class 5 math. Yes, and 5 maths is we are learning about the multiplication of algebraic expressions. In that, yes, we learn the multiplication of monomial expressions, and today we are going to learn about the monomial and binomial expressions. So here students, yes, multiplication of monomial and binomial expressions. First is multiplication of monomial and binomial expressions. So students, here in this topic, yes, multiplication of monomial and binomial expressions, yes, in this topic, yes, we learn, yes, or we multiply, yes, the binomial expression by monomial expressions, or monomial expressions by binomial expressions. Yes, both are the same. So students, yes, I hope as you learned about the sign rule of multiplications, yes, so there I repeat again about the sign rule is, so in the multiplications, plus multiply plus is equal to plus. The same way minus multiple minus is equal to also plus. Similarly, plus into minus is equal to minus. Similarly, minus into plus is equal to is minus. So students, before multiplication is, we should also learn about the different rules of multiplication that you have already learned in our previous classes, is in the multiplication of monomial expressions. So students, as you know, is while multiplying the number, we should first multiply the signs, is whatever the sign over there, minus, plus, is we should first multiply between the signs, is in the same way. Then after the numerators, coefficients of the given terms, is similarly, is if the bases are same, then in the product or in the multiplication we should add their powers. Similarly, if the bases are different, we should multiply them with each other and write in the same way. Yes. So students, here we have given the questions like this. Sometimes we have given the questions 2 is bracket x plus 1, 2 x plus 1. Students, listen to me very carefully. As you can find here, I hope you are getting about it. Is this first, there is only 2. As you know, this is a term. This is a term. Similarly, in the bracket there are given 2 things, one x and another 1, which is divided by plus sign, so that we can count it 1, 2. How many terms are there? 2 terms. So that this is what? Binomial expression. So here now we are going to multiply this binomial expression by the monomial expression. So what is the binomial expression? We have x plus 2, and what is the monomial expression? That is 2. X plus 1 and 2. Okay, x plus 1 is the binomial expression and 2 is a monomial expression. So here student is here we have 2. And look here, between 2 and the bracket is enclosed. There is no sign between the 2 and the bracket. It means there is given multiplication sign. So don't forget this. If there is no sign, it means multiplication sign. Between two number. Between 2 number. If there are if there is no any sign, it means there is multiplication sign. Similarly, suppose there is given a b. Between a and b there is no sign, it means there is multiplication sign. It means what? It is a into b, then after it becomes ab. Students, don't be confused. Similarly, if there is 2x into 2x y, it means what? Between them all multiplication sign, 2 into x into y, then we got 2xy. Multiplication sign is hidden over there. So that what? here also we have given 2 into x plus 1. We read as 2 into x plus 1. And here is before multiplication is we should distribute the number in this way. Yes. So here we should first in front of x there is no sign. Yes. So there is what? Plus sign. So remember this thing, students. Before x there is no sign. It means plus sign. And also here in front of 2 there is no sign. Yes. It means what? It has also plus sign. Yes. So as you know the rule of multiplication. Yes. Now sign multiply sign. Yes. So students, plus multiply plus. Yes. Plus multiply plus, then we will get plus. Then after coefficient multiply coefficient. Yes. So similarly we can do like this. Look here carefully. X plus 1. Yes. So here 2 there is no any sign, it means plus sign. So 2 into in front of x there is no sign, it means we can, there is plus sign, so we can write x only. Similarly, yes, there is no sign, it means plus, and there is also plus, it means plus here is 2 into 1. Yes, students. Yes, by monomial expression each term of the binomial expression multiplied. Yes, remember this thing. Yes, and be careful here. Yes, by the monomial expressions we should multiply each of the term of the given binomial expressions. Yes, so we have given here x and 1. So x and 1 is multiplied by the monomial expression 2, 2s, and there is plus into plus plus, nothing, no sign, it means plus sign, and also plus into plus means plus. Yes, then after 2 into x, it means 2x, and plus 2 into 1 means 2. A student, yes, don't hurry here. Yes, here we have given 2x and another 2. Yes, but as you know that, yes, to get the sum of any expressions, any terms, we need the like terms only. If the terms are unlike terms, dislike, so we cannot add them with each other. Yes, so for the like term we must have what? The same base and same power. Yes, but now we have here in the first we have x as base having power 1. Yes, it no power means 1. Yes, similarly the second term we have only 2. Yes, having no base and no power. Yes, it means what? This is our answer, or it couldn't be added with each other. Yes, so our answer become 2x plus 2. Similarly, students, you may have the question sometimes like this: minus x into x plus 1, minus x into x plus 1. Yes, so students, look here carefully. Yes, listen to me very carefully. Yes, you need more practice for this multiplication. Yes, so here, as you know, we should multiply first the signs of the given terms. Yes, similarly we have here minus x. Yes, is given as monomial expression. Similarly x plus 1. Yes, having two terms, so that it is binomial expressions. So x plus 1 is multiplied by minus x. Yes, students. So here is before multiplying the expressions, we should first multiply between their signs. So students, here we have given here minus sign is in the first s and in front of s, and then after between x and this bracket, that means binomial expression, there is no sign, it means multiplication sign. As you know that, yes, If there is no sign, it means there is multiplication sign. Don't forget about this. Yes, if there is no sign between the monomial and binomial expression, it means there is multiplication sign. Okay, so here x minus x into x plus 1, where in front of x there is no any sign, it means there is plus sign. Okay, so that here we should first multiply sign to sign. So minus into plus, yes, we will get minus, and then coefficient into coefficient. Yes, so is there any coefficient? No. Yes, if there is no coefficient, it means 1 as a coefficient, and as we know that 1 into 1, 1. Yes, so that what we have x then. Yes, and if the bases are same, then we should add their power. Yes, so here we can write like this: minus into plus minus, and x into x. Yes, what is the given number over there? We should multiply them with each other. Then after, in this other process, we can write their product. Then after, again minus into plus. Yes, again we will get minus, and then x into 1. I hope you are understanding about it. Yes, we should multiply the terms of binomial expressions by monomial expression one by one. So here we multiply first sign, minus into plus, minus, then x into x. Okay, then minus into plus, minus, then x into 1. Okay, so here after multiplying we will get minus x into x. That means if the bases are same, then power root should be added. So here we can get the same base, it means, and there is no power, it means their power is 1. So what? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It means x to the power 2, and minus x into 1 is. Friends, when we multiply 2 by 1, what is the answer? 2. Similarly 3 by 1, 3. Yes, similarly 10 by 1, 10. So friends, what we found that is by 1, if we multiply any number, our answer would be the same the number is. So here when we multiply x by 1, our answer would be same. So our answer would be x. So our answer is x square minus x, because yes, they are unlike term, because first one has power 2, yes, but second one has no power, it means power 1. Yes, their bases are same, but their powers are different, so that they are unlike term. Yes, and as you know that, yes, if the bases are if the terms are different, if unlike, they are unlike term, so we should copy or write the terms is same what is given over there. Is so here I hope you are understanding about the multiplication. Yes, then after, yes, let other example. Yes, so we have other example like this. Suppose minus a into a minus 2. Okay, students, minus a into a minus 2. Yes, in this also we should use the same process. Yes, first we should multiply between their signs. Yes, so there is given minus sign in the first monomial expression, and between monomial and binomial there is no sign, it means multiplication sign. It means what? And in front of a there is no sign, it means there is plus sign. So minus into plus, there is minus, and then after a into a, then after minus into minus, what? Plus. Good. Is minus into minus plus, so that there the sign would be plus, so that then after a into 2. Yes, students, then after minus, yes, we have the same bases and the same power. That means here we have given a into a. Yes, so here we have the given same base. Yes, we don't have any problem with different powers. Yes, in multiplication, remember this thing. Yes, we should only judge the terms by their power and base. Yes, in the addition and subtraction only. Yes, but in the multiplication we should only judge by their term bases, not by their powers. So here we have given the same base is a and a, so that what we should add their power. Yes, so here we have given a and their power. There is no power, it means 1 power, so 1 plus 1 2 and plus a into 2 2a. Yes, students, and then after here we have given a square in the first term and second 2a, yes, which are unlike terms. Yes, we can find they are unlike terms, so that what we can't add them, so that yes, our answer is same to same. Is what is the product. Yes, students, then after sometimes 2a is 2a into 3b minus 4. Students, look here in our questions. Yes, we have given 2a into 3b minus 4. Yes, and for that what we should multiply the binomial term of binomial expressions by monomial expression or monomial terms. So here we have given monomial term 2a. Yes, so here first before multiplying we should multiply between their yes signs. So their signs are in front of 2a there is no sign, it means plus, and in front of 3b there is no sign, it means plus, and in front of 4 there is minus. Yes, so that what plus into plus sign we don't need to write. Yes, then after 2a into 3b, then after plus into minus and 2a into 4, 2a into 4. Yes, then after what 2 3 are 6, a into b. Yes, now here we should apply the rule of multiplication of terms. Yes, so students, here coefficient into coefficient, so 2 3 are 6, and then their bases are different, so that what we should write the same. Yes, here so a into b, it means ab, then minus 2 4 8 a. Yes, our answer is this, because they are unlike terms. So students, I hope you understood about these multiplications. Yes, and now this is the time for your homework assignment. Yes, so students, your homework is like this. Write your homework carefully. Yes, your homework is question number 1. Yes, question number 1. Find the product of the following. Find the product of the following. Question number A. Yes, question number A, minus 2 x minus 2. Question number B is minus x minus y. Question number C is 2a is minus 2a into a minus 4 is. Question number D, 3x into 4y minus minus 5. Question number E is 5y into y plus z. Yes, students, I hope you will do these all questions. Yes, and after these all, yes, now this is the time to leave class 5. Yes, So at last, I would like to thank you all for listening and watching our education program. Similarly, I would like to thank our technician friend to Mr. Vikas Pandey to support me to run this program. Yes, at last, I would like to request you all to be safe. Yes, and keep listening. Radio Maris Masla 106.4 MHz. Take care. Bye bye.